Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to erase or remove user profile to fix account problems on Windows 11 PC. In case you are experiencing multiple issues such as a start menu not working, Microsoft Edge not functioning properly, it's likely due to your user profile data is corrupted. You can attempt to resolve this by deleting the profile that allows Windows 11 to establish a new one during sign-in without affecting your user account. To erase the profile, ensure you have logged out from that account in which you are getting errors and log in to a new account and then press Windows plus R key on the keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the Run dialog box, you need to type System Properties Advanced. After that, click on this one OK button. In Advanced tab, under User Profiles section, click on this one Settings button. Here, you need to find out the user profile in which you are getting error. Under User Profiles window, select your user account in which you are getting errors and then click on this one Delete button. Confirm by pressing the Yes button. Then click on this one OK button. Click on this one OK button. Now sign out from the current account and sign back into the account you just deleted the profile to allow Windows 11 to recreate the new user profile, and it should fix the issues that you were getting before on your Windows 11 PC.